Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. I am also fine. Students, if you want to make maths easy for you, quickly subscribe my channel, press bell icon and select the option of all so that you could get all the notification of my latest videos. So let's start today's class. I am going to start number system. The chapter of number system, it is there in 8th standard. 8th standard maths has number system. So first of all, we'll do convert the following into decimal system. We are given base 2, base 5 and base 8 numbers. We have to convert them into decimal system. So let's learn, students, how to convert the numbers with different bases. Let's start. Solution for the first question. We'll write the statement of the question given in part 1. It has base 2. So let's start. First of all, students, we have to count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The digits in this number, students, are 7. So when we'll start converting it into decimal system, we'll start from the left hand side. The first number which is on the left hand side is 1. We'll start with 1. First of all, write that first number and multiply this number with base 2, and you will write a power upon this number. The number of digits are 7. So first of all, we'll write power 6 less than the number of digits. So then put a plus sign. The next number is also 1. Multiply it with base 2 with power less than the previous power. So gradually, step by step, you will decrease the power of the base. So again plus sign. The next digit is 0. Write 0 multiplied by base power 4. Again plus sign. The next digit is 1 multiplied by the base power 3. Again plus sign. The next number is 1. 1 multiplied by base power 2. Okay, next number is 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 power 1 plus the next and the last one, last digit is 0 multiplied by 2 power 0. The last power of the base number should be 0. So let's calculate them. We'll multiply and add all these numbers. First of all, 1 multiplied by power of 6. So you can do all the calculations in the rough work. Draw a separating line on the right hand side of the page and you can do your working there. So let's find what will be the answer of 2 power 6. You can count them by writing them 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times you will write 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32 and 30 twos are 64. So it will become 64. Then the next one is 2 power 5. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. We'll write 32. 0 will make the other number 0. And then plus sign 1 multiplied by 2 power 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 1 as it is, and 2 to the 4 plus 1 as it is, 2 power 1 is 2, and plus 0 will make the other term 0 as well. Let's do next. We'll multiply 64 by 1. It will become 64 plus 32 plus 0 plus 8 ones are 8 plus 1 fours are 4 plus 1 twos are 2 plus 0. Now at the end we'll add them all. Students, 64 plus 32, let's add them. 64 plus 32, 696 plus 8 will get 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, add 14 into 96 will get 10, 1 carry, 10 and 11. So we'll get 110. It is converted into decimal system. In the same way, students, we'll do part number 2 and part number 3. Okay, students, we'll start part number 2. This number is having base 5. We have to convert it into a decimal number. Students, the procedure or the method would be the same as we have done with this binary number. The method is the same. We'll count the number of digits in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of digits are 4. So we'll start with from the left hand side. The first number is 2. Let's start with 2. 2 multiplied by base power less than the number of digits. Number of digits are 4. So we'll write the power of 5, 3. 0 multiplied by 5 power 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5 power 1 plus 4 multiplied by 5 power 0. The last power of the base should be 0. So let's calculate them. 2 multiplied by power of 5 is 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. Now the next number or the digit is 0, so it will make the number 5 power 2 0 also, plus 4 as it is, 5 power 1 is 5 plus 4 multiplied by power of 5 is 0, that means 1. Now let's multiply these two numbers. 5 2s are or 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 2 1s are 2. 250 plus 0 plus 4 5s are 20 plus 4 1s are 4. And now let's add them all. 250 plus 20, 270 and 274. 274 is the answer of second part. We have converted this number with base 5 into a decimal number. Okay, students, we'll start part number 3, which has a base 8. It is called octal number also. 2360 with base 8. Method is the same in all the cases with binary with base 5 and base 8. So let's start. The number of digits are 1 2 3 4. So we'll start from the left hand side. The first number is 2 multiplied by base 8 power 3, less than the number of digits, plus next number is 3 multiplied by 8 base 2, plus 6 multiplied by 8 power 1, plus next the last number is 0 multiplied by base power 0. Now 2 multiplied by 8 power 3, will calculate them in the rough work. 8 8s are 64 and 64 8s are, will get by multiplying. 8 4s are 32, 3 carry over. 8 6 are 48 plus 3 will become 51. So we'll get 512 plus 3 multiplied by 8 power 2 means 8 8s are 64, plus 6 plus 8 power 1 is 8, and 0 multiplied by 8 power 0 is 0. So let's multiply these two numbers first. 2 multiplied by 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 2 5s are 10. 1024 plus 3 4s are 12, 1 carry over. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, plus 6 6 8s are 48, and plus 0. Now we have to add all these numbers. 1024, 192 and 48. Let's add them in rough work. 1024, 192 and 48. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14. 1 carry over. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1. So it will become, students, the answer we have got is 1264 or 1264. It is converted into a decimal number. The octal number is converted into a decimal number. We have done all three parts: a binary number, a number with base 5, or a number with base 8. I hope you have understood the method how to convert the numbers into a decimal number. So students, if you like the method of my teaching, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon and select the option of all, so that you could get all the notifications of all my next videos. Okay students, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, God bless you all.